Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add bank details in Zoho People. All right, so first up, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to add in your own bank details as an organization. Okay. The second one is for your employees. So first up, log into your admin account. Now go to the top right, and besides your profile, you have the application section. I got to scroll down and find finance. And here we have a Zoho Payroll. So click on it, wait for it to load. Then once it loads, go ahead and set this up. Okay, set up your organization profile, your pay schedule, your tax, deposits. Okay, click on complete now right here and configure. And here, as you can see, it now says add a bank account. Just click on connect account. If you want instant, you can go ahead and select manual as well. All right, just basically follow simple prompts. And once done, as you can see here, let's go back. From admin, the admin approves the payroll, and it will go to your bank. And then the midman right here is check. Okay. From check to the employee's bank, credit to account, and it goes to your employee. Now, to set up your employee's bank details, you can go ahead over to Zoho Payroll once more, or the dashboard. Now click on employees right here. Add employee if you want to. As you can see here, I already have one. I'm going to click on it. And here we have the complete now option. Okay. So what you'll do is just basically type down his or her SSN, date of birth, residential address, hit on save and continue. And the next page, the tax details is needed as well. So basically fill in the specific fields and hit on save and continue. And lastly, the payment details. Okay, add in their payment details, and once done, hit on save and continue, and you're good to go. The last thing you would need to do is just go ahead over to pay runs right here and set up the pays. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.